Hi friends, once more welcome back to the channel. I am Rahul, you are seeing Chota Master Rahul. So today in this session we are going to discuss a wonderful topic that is about reflection of lights. So in this session we will going to discuss about the physics first lesson, that is about reflection of lights. So what is reflection of lights? How a light reflects? So all these things we will discuss in this session. So please see this video till the end. Hi friends, so first of all, let's get started in this reflection of light. Friends, what is the reflection of light? We will discuss this later. First of all, we'll go and start with a puzzle. What goes through the water without getting the wet? So it's our puzzle. So let's see the answer. Many of you may not know this answer and many of you also know this answer. So let's see the answer. The question is, what goes through water without getting wet? Absolutely correct answer. The light passes through the water without getting wet. Absolutely right, because the light is not a matter, it's an energy. So the light passes through the water without getting wet. So it is reflected from the water but without getting wet. And also sound is also an energy. It also passes through the water without getting wet. I think you may know these things: the sun and also the light. So these are two different sources of light. So what are the sources of light? So the sun is a natural source and the bulb is a man-made source. So it's a natural and it's a man-made. And now, what is light? A light is a energy that causes sensation of vision. So we see a things, a nature, because of the vision. So it is reflected by the light. So we can see the things and also the great nature with our vision. So it is a light. Now we will talk the important sources of light: the ray of light and the beam of light. So what is ray of light? The ray of light is a ray which is included by only one ray. And what is the beam? What is the beam of light? All those collection of all the rays is called as a beam of light. So the ray of light is included with a single ray and a single line, and also collection of all rays is called as a beam of light. So the ray of light and the beam of light. Let's go to the board and learn all the concave mirror, convex mirror and plane mirror with all the examples. So now we will discuss the types of beams. So there are three types of beams. So we are going to name them 1, 2 and 3. So these are three types of beams. So here, what do you think is the first one? So the first one is a parallel beam. So the first one is a parallel beam. So remember that just now we discussed the line ray which is parallel, so it's called as a parallel beam. And what do you think the second one is? So the second one, so the rays are coming together to the point. So the rays are coming together to the point is called convergent beam. And what do you think the third one is? So the third one is the rays are going away from the point. So it is called as a divergent beam. So these three are the types of beams. So one is the parallel beam, second one is the convergent beam, and third one is the divergent beam. So here all the rays are converting here, and here all the rays are diverting. So this is called as divergent and this is called as a converting. So it's a parallel, so we call it as a parallel beam. Now let's discuss the definition of a reflection of light. Friends, here is the definition: reflection of light. So here, bouncing back of light rays after hitting a surface. So I will tell you with an example. So here is a mirror. So it's a mirror, and here when the light ray hit a surface, so it's a surface. So when the light ray hits the surface of a mirror, then the light reflects. So when the light ray hits to the surface of a mirror and bounces back as a reflection is called as a reflection of light. Now let's discuss the law of reflection. So here there are two types of law of reflection. One is the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal ray. At the point of incidence, all lie on the same plane. And second one is angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Now I am going to tell you with an example. So just now we took an example, that is here it's a mirror. So it's a mirror, and the ray which falls on the, so here the ray which falls on the surface of a mirror and reflect, when it falls on the surface of mirror, then it reflects back. So the ray which falls on the surface of ray is called as incidence. Incidence ray. And the ray which bounces back and reflect is called as a reflection ray. It's called as a reflection ray. And so in middle, so at this point, so this is a perpendicular line, it's called as a normal. So it's a normal. And see here we are seeing this gap and this gap. So this is called as a glance angle. It's a glance angle, so it is little bit rough. So I am trying to tell you, so I think you are getting understand. So the ray which falls on the surface is called as a incident ray, and the ray which reflects from the surface is called as a reflect ray. And the perpendicular line in this middle is called as normal, and here the point which you are seeing is a pole. So this is the example of the laws of reflection. Now I am going to explain you the types of mirrors. So there are three types of mirrors. So here there are three types. So the first one is a plane mirror, and the second one is concave mirror, and third one is convex mirror. So concave mirror, so the concave mirror means, so if we take an example of spoon, so inside, so the spoon is a front side is in this shape, so inside this is a concave and outer side is a convex. So this is the concave mirror inside of the spoon, and outer side is called as a convex mirror. Now let's go and see the more example of concave mirror and convex mirror. So friends, now we are going to discuss light rays, rules for concave and convex mirror. So here this is a concave mirror and this is a convex mirror. So first of all we have to know that, so what are the rules here? So here, so the line which is passing through the concave mirror, this line is called as a principal axis. It's called as a principal axis. And so here the point which are touching to the convex mirror, so it's called as a pole, so it is denoted as P. And here the center of concave mirror is called as center of curvature. So in the center of curvature and the pole, there is a between, that is focus. And here the same, it's a principal axis, and it's a pole and focus and center of curvature. Now we are going to discuss how the concave mirror reflects. So if the parallel ray touches to the surface of the concave mirror, then it reflects towards focus. It reflects from the focus and also this center of curvature. So here middle, if you draw this line, it's a normal, this line is a normal, it's a concave mirror surface, and these two are same degrees. Let me take 5 degrees, so then it's also a 5 degree. And here in the convex mirror, when a parallel line or a parallel ray touches to the surface of the convex mirror, then it reflects to the surface and it reflects like this. And next we will take the another example. This is a pole, this is the focus, and this is the center of curvature. So here same pole, focus and center of curvature. If the ray passes through the pole, then it reflects back in the same direction with the same angle. So let us take this angle as a 30 degree. So it also reflects same as a 30 degree. So when the light ray passes through the pole, then it reflects back with the same degree. So here also in the convex mirror, here also same, when the light ray of convex mirror touches to the surface of pole, at the same time it reflects back to the same direction with the same degree. So let us take assume as a 40 degree, then at also it reflects to a 40 degree. It reflects back at the same time. And also here middle is a normal. So if we take this of a 10 degree, so it is also a 10 degree. So this is a concave mirror and this is a convex mirror. Friends, this was the today's topic. So I think you have learned the reflection of lights very clearly. So if you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share to the channel, and also please share it to your friends, and also they will also learn this concept. And be safe at your home. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.